reciprocate. He's a nice little being. Oh, he just touched my hand. Here you go. Here you go, buddy. See how gentle and slow he is? I know you don't know what that means. But it means we love you when we pet you like that. We don't care about your just one finger. Well, thank you, Brenda, for the rose. That was awesome. I appreciate you. Thanks for being in here, guys. Look at that fat back right there. He's like one of my favorite things. He acts off, guys.